People think it's scary to get a lawyer. It's not scary at Flagrant Associates. When they walk in here, they're immediately put at ease.
By the time they walk out after talking to Randy, it is a totally different feeling.
I just felt so comfortable, and they just accepted you like you were one of their own.
When you see the looks and the thanks that you get from a client that you've done a great job for, it makes you realize that it's, getting up every day and doing what you're doing is worthwhile.
Very frequently when you're dealing with somebody who has suffered an injury, may not be able to work, has to support a family, they're going through a lot emotionally.
The first 30 days, he wasn't awake. Looking at him, not knowing what the outcome was going to be. Stressful.
I had about 14 surgeries. I was hospitalized for 3 months straight. So just sitting up in a recliner all day while wife just goes to work and, bills start piling up.
Most cases, court is unnecessary, but sometimes it is. If the other side is being reasonable, then generally speaking, we don't have to go to court. If they're being less reasonable, there is always that possibility.
A lot of people think that your insurance company is there to help you and to be your friend and to have your back. And the reality is far from that. And that's why having an effective personal injury lawyer is so important.
The insurance companies sort of spring right into action. And from the very, very outset, their whole goal is to delegitimize the claims of these people who are really innocent victims.
They treat them as they're just another piece of meat, that they were the ones who were at fault.
So from day one, they're treated as if they're the enemy, they're treated as if they're frauds, they're almost treated as if they're criminals, and they really need a strong advocate who knows these tactics and knows how to counter them.
They know that we will take care of every problem that they have in their case, and the only job they have is to get better.
There are some attorneys in the area who get half of what we end up getting for the same type of case because they don't have that same reputation. And we earn it. We earn it.
We have clients whose lives literally have been changed, and many of them changed forever.
I was nervous and scared when I first came in because they told me that I might not have a good claim due to the fact of the doctor's reports, setting up the different things that I needed to make my case strong. I wound up coming out on top.
It's just an intense feeling to be in pain and then also feel like you may not have anybody on your side. All they cared about was how I was feeling, what they're going to do for me, and there wasn't a dime I had to even worry about up front. I could not believe what I walked away with.
There are firms who will just settle the case for a third of what the case is worth. We won't do that. We're going to get you every dime that the case is worth.